Welcome back, Boxers. This is another quick video on my Codepen series. In this one, we will be creating a template. So Codepen templates are good for creating multiple iterations of applications. You can create templates for applications that use various libraries such as React, Vue, jQuery, front-end applications like Bootstrap, Tailwind, Bulma, and then HTML tags or layouts. You can build these out so that you can return to CodePen and rebuild or build new things based on some preferences that you may like to have set up ahead of time. And we'll dive right into that. All right, so I'm logged back into CodePen and I've got a blank pen here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly put in some basic things to show you how to create a simple template. In this particular case, I'll go ahead and create a template using Bootstrap front end and then how I can return to it and create multiples of different applications, but always have that setup built in ahead of time. So we'll go ahead and we'll throw in some styles here and we'll style the title. We'll give it text align center. We'll change the color to, let's see, give it a red color. And well, we'll just give it that. All right. And then come in here into my CSS and just do a quick search for Twitter Bootstrap. We'll add that. And then JavaScript. And I'll go ahead and add that. Okay, now I've got these built in. Now, in order to save it as a template, all you have to do is come over to Save and Close. Okay, and then go back into Settings. And this is going to be under Pen Details. And all you have to do is flip it over to Template. Okay, pen title, Bootstrap for template. And then I'll save it and close it. And now when I come back in here, okay, I'll close that out. We'll jump back into Codepen. Oops. Okay, and now I can come in and create from this template. So I don't have to go, I could just start typing out everything immediately. I don't have to go back into settings and search for the CDNs to bring in all the appropriate styles and JavaScript components that come with Bootstrap. I could just get to work. You can build these out as far as you need to. I definitely recommend these if you are constantly coming back. In my CodePen account, I have probably close to 600 pens, and it's really helps speed things up by creating templates. All right, and then you can, once you've created the template, like here, it has template in the URL. Once I've created the template, okay, so this is my title. I'll go ahead and hit save. Once I hit save, it flips to a pen. You're no longer in a template. Okay, it flips to a pen, and this is what you would share after hitting save. All right, and that way you're not sharing your template. Not that it matters, but this way you're always sharing pens. Just make sure that you hit save. All right, and that's it for this little bit here. I hope this was helpful. Please, as always, hit like on the video and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.